In today's episode, I'm going to show you a very colorful and delicious mocktail called the Orange Fantasy. I'm going to blend my orange crush, vanilla ice cream, with a hand blender. I'm going to mix both these ingredients together. My ice cream and orange crush mixture has blended well, and now I'm going to pour it in my glass. Make a layer of this ice cream blend. I'm going to take my strawberry jelly and cut them into small cubes. I'm going to put a few cubes into my ice cream blend. Just place them on the ice cream blend very carefully. Few more cubes. Very slowly with the back of the spoon, pour in your club soda so that you're not going to disturb the layers. A little bit of orange fizzy drink. And now I'm going to make my stirrer. So I'm going to poke in my watermelon ball into my toothpick. Few of my mint leaves now. Place your stirrer onto your drink and your Orange Fantasy is ready. Serve this mocktail for a party and I'm sure your guests are going to enjoy it.